Hey y'all, so today's video is going to be a Mac haul. Some of these things I've had for a little hot minute, the rest of it I just recently purchased. Every video that I talk about Mac, I'm going to mention how they discontinued my favorite foundation, which was the Matchmaster foundation. My shade was 7.5. The first thing that I picked up was, of course, the OG Fix Plus. I also picked up the Fix Plus Rose, which this one you can tell I've been using. I love this scent. I'm gonna try the lavender one, but I love this scent. Like, it smells really good. And the Fix Plus Matte Lip Gloss in the color Spite, which is Bay. Whisper of Guilt, because this is gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash, which looks like this. That's what the wand looks like. Dual Dare All Day Waterproof Liner in the color Dare Black. So it looks like that. It's felt tip on one end, and then on the other end is like a kohl liner. The lip liner in Cork, which looks like that. The lip gloss in See-Through, which looks like that. This one. And then they gave me something for free. Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NC30. So this is a sponge applicator right here. And then this is the NC30, which, girl, like about 20 shades too light, girl. If you've been purchasing from Mac for a while, you know their method of shipment is UPS. So when I purchased, I got 2 different confirmation emails, which I was like, that's weird. Why did they split up my order? I didn't pay attention to the email. I just knew that they split up my order, and I was like, that's very strange for Mac. So due to COVID, when I purchase things, I don't really look immediately to see when it's going to be shipped, because I know there's going to be delays. But after a couple days, I checked the first email and saw that it was going to be delivered on a Wednesday. So I was like, okay, cool. It was a Monday. So Wednesday rolls around and I check the website again, and there's no update. So I'm like, okay, it's not out for delivery or anything. Let me click on the tracking number. Tracking number looked a little odd to me. I knew it wasn't a UPS tracking number, because UPS is usually 1Z and then whatever. So when I clicked on it, it took me to a website that said laser ship. I was like, what in the hell is this? From there, I knew that this wasn't going to go as planned. So there was no update on their website either. So I checked it the next day, which was a Thursday, and it said undeliverable. I live in a residential neighborhood. There's no apartment buildings over here. There's no businesses. It's just all houses. Why could you not deliver my package? What was the issue? I checked my Mac website profile thing, and I'm like, okay, the address is correct. I emailed them, and they're like, very generic. If you don't get your package within 2 business days, contact the seller. Why? Why am I contacting Mac? They gave you my stuff. Deliver my stuff. So then Friday rolls around. Okay, it says delivered. I get home, no package. I am tired, you know. On the weekend, I went to the Mac store it got my stuff. So I will wait until Wednesday. If I don't have my package by Wednesday, I'm going to contact Mac. So I purchased the Studio Fix Perfecting Powder in medium dark because I have dark deep or deep dark. Studio Finish Concealer in the color NC50. Eyeshadow, a matte eyeshadow in the color Soft Brown. I can swatch this one. Can't really see it because it's low-key my complexion, which is what I was going for. The Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base in Radiant Yellow, which looks like that. It's a pump. The Prep and Prime 24-Hour Extended Eye Base, which is a eyeshadow primer. The eyelashes in the number 80. Very wispy. 140S brush. This brush is so freaking soft. Like, oh my god. Oh my goodness. This brush is just... They made this brush with baby hairs because there is just no way this brush is this soft. The actual package for my delivery came on a Tuesday. So that following Tuesday, it showed up. I'm not gonna swatch any of this stuff because it's going back. Lip pencil in Oak, which looks like that. And this is the same exact shade as Strip Down for me on my complexion. So that's going back. The Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the color Glow With It. This is also going back, so I'm not gonna swatch it because it is the exact same shade as Gold Deposit. It's just more shimmery and less glittery. But on my complexion, it doesn't make sense to have both of them. Of course, the 140S brush that I just showed you guys, that's going back. They gave me the Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base in Radiant Pink. So I have the yellow one. I have a yellow undertone. So yeah, this may or may not work for me. It was a sample though. NC50 Studio Fix Fluid. So this is their OG foundation. And I forgot that this doesn't come with a pump. So I actually have to purchase the pump. Also, the second package came, and at first I was like, well, if this is in the first package, what's in the second package? Girl. And this came by UPS. I said, girl. And this package didn't come until 2 days ago. And I'm like, girl, if you was gonna split up my order, why didn't you split up my order? Like, split it up. Like, why would you give me just... It was legit how I just opened it. Like, this is exactly how it came. There's no shipping label, nothing. It was just little Lotus in there. And this is the Studio Finish Concealer in the color NC45. NC45. And then this is NC50. I should swatch them now. Just to see. I'm gonna put the NC50 under this eye. NC45 under this eye. The NC50 completely blended out, and the NC45 just, I don't know. I really don't know. What do y'all think? I mean, I like the way the NC50 looks. It just pretty much did its job. It concealed. The NC45 concealed and brightened. So yeah, that was my MAC haul. I'll figure out this concealer thing in a second. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. One thing about me is I will drop some money on MAC products. MAC has always been inclusive, so I always feel comfortable purchasing from MAC. I've always had a good experience with MAC products. The company keeps discontinuing my favorite things. Definitely will always purchase from MAC. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will probably be a full face of MAC. I don't know yet. Bye.